evening. Does the 6,222 figure mean that there are 6,222 South Africans who've been denied employment?
Good evening, Thabo. Good evening to the viewers. And thanks for inviting us so that we can have this conversation, which we think is quite important. I think it doesn't mean that there are 6,220 South Africans that are without jobs that have been taken by foreign nationals. We need to provide a particular context to that number. The first one is that it includes persons with dual citizenships that might be South Africans, but because they also have citizenship of another country, those then get counted as foreign nationals because our laws require us to be loyal to the Republic. It also includes permanent residents that have been granted by a court of law or by the Constitutional Court that said that if you are a permanent resident, you have the same rights as individuals that are in South Africa. And people can acquire permanent residency based on a number of things, but as long as they adhere to the immigration laws of the country. And it also includes a number of participants in bilateral agreements, such as the Cuban-South Africa Mandela-Castro Agreement for engineering and health sectors, where we have identified as South Africa that there are a number of scarce skills that we have in the country that will require us to have foreign nationals to assist us in health, in engineering, due to the history of the country that has resulted in us having a limited qualifications in those areas. But most importantly, there is also a large number of interpreters in the criminal justice system, where you have French speakers and those that speak foreign languages that South Africans wouldn't even know, that will then find themselves employed for contract positions to interpret for persons that are found to be litigating in our systems. So South Africans wouldn't normally know some of those languages that would be there. So it does not necessarily mean that there are South Africans that do not have that are out of a job, but it means that there are foreign nationals that might be assisting us to achieve our developmental goals as South Africa.
Yeah,